The world can be uncertain, but when nothing is sure, everything is possible. There are 2 million farms across America. About 98% of U.S. farms are operated by families that are working endlessly to provide us the certainty that we will be fed. Americans enjoy a food supply that is abundant, affordable, and among the world's safest, thanks to the efficiency and productivity of America's farm and ranch families. Farmers are working now more than ever to help feed the world. And with the global population increasing by 2.2 billion by 2050, that task is not a small one. We know that farmers need us now more than ever. That is why at Heliae Agriculture, we have made it our goal to support the farmers in this task. We have worked with growers and scientists for over 10 years to develop the science that will save our planet, so that they can achieve success today and create sustainable land for their future generations. PhycoTerra soil microbe food is an innovative crop technology that pays dividends for both the crop as well as the soil. It acts like a glue in the soil to improve the microbial life and provide an ideal environment for nutrient entrapment and protection against environmental stresses, like increasing water retention, improving soil structure, while increasing marketable yield. Proven success on over 20 crops, our proprietary soil microbe food has improved the relative abundance of beneficial microbes by as much as 3 times. With one application of PhycoTerra, you can retain the soil that you have, improve the soil that remains, and restore the soil that you have lost. So, in times of uncertainty, Americans can count on growers, and growers can count on Heliae. We let the farmers stick to growing, while we stick to their soil, because without farmers, there is no future.